It's nice to see you guys once again, guys. Today in this video, I want to show you and unbox my new DualSense wireless controller, which I just bought not quite long ago. Because when I buy the new PlayStation, it only comes with only one controller inside. So I decided to have one extra. Okay, so here is it, and let us unbox it together right now. Okay, and I also want to say something about the controller, what I like about the controller also. Here is the DualSense. As you can see, it comes with this pack, which is very nice. As I can see, also is the same with the one that comes with the PlayStation 5, as you can see. So let me unbox it now. So here we have it here. I think we have the menu, if you don't know, started with it. But right now this is the controller itself. Oh wow. And the sense is a little bit heavy, very heavy. As you can see, it's very heavy the way I can see it right now. Wow. This is really nice. This is very beautiful. I think it's the same. Is the same with the one that comes with the PlayStation itself. It's the same. The trigger, you feel it. Even when I'm using the one that comes with the PlayStation to play my games, is very sensitive and very responsive. You know, the way I mean, it's very different from the other console that before. This PS5 is very something else. The way they build it this time around is very awesome. You see, this controller now is very different from the one we had before. You don't have any. There's no. They don't have anything inside. Just only this one. You don't have charge. You don't add charger on it. So this is what you get when you buy it. You get only the controller inside. And this is the one that comes with the PS5 himself. This is the one. It's the same. There's no different. The same. The color and everything is the same. The same. You see, there's no difference with what I'm seeing right now. There's no difference, as you can see. I don't know now. Maybe this one is the one. I would not know how to differentiate it now. As soon as I drop it now, you cannot know the differences. They are just the same. Everything. If I drop it now, I will not know the one. Although I think I pick it like this. This one is the one I think, yeah. I confused now. I cannot know. I don't know. But so something I love about this. So this one is for the PS4. For my PS4, which I was using before. You see the making of this new one. A very big difference. Straight from the trigger is very small. If you look at the trigger very well, this one is very small, and this one is bigger. You see, I mean, they differentiate everything. You look at the shape here. See, this one is very small. Even here, this place here, this one is very small, you know, and this one here is big. This is what I really love about this one they just made now. This one here, the feeling and the grabbing is very big. It's what I love about it. And one other thing I like, when you first switch your PS5 on, and with this one you can use it to on it also. and you can also use it to go to your, in fact, I'm going to make a video for that, all the features inside. I'm just giving you the point that I love about this controller, the way they did it this time around, which is very, very awesome. It's very, very nice. As you can see, the trigger, even when I'm using it to play my games, the way it fits in my hands, everything is very legit. So I don't think I'm going to buy the dual sensor hedge. I don't think I'm going to buy that one, the new PS5 dual sensor hedge. I don't think there will be need for that for me. I will not buy that one. So that one is even more expensive. So it's just a little bit changes, a little bit difference. You understand? So this is what I have come here to show you guys today about this unboxing. So guys, thanks for watching. So please do me a favor by liking the video and subscribe to my channel, and also I'll be coming again to show you my unboxing when I buy the charger. Okay, thanks. See you once again in my next video.